Hi everyone, this week we are in Grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument. We boondocked last night down Hole in the Rock Road, and today we drove down the road and we're gonna walk out to Zebra Slot Canyon. So come along, join with us. Oh yeah, that's my shade umbrella. For this hike, it said in the books that it's easy. So I opted for a shade umbrella instead of my hiking poles. I didn't want to carry both. I didn't have an easy way to carry both. So we'll see if I made the right choice or not.
Size 14, no, not a good fit.
So I might be wedged into Zebra Canyon, Slot Canyon. I'm pretty sure I could keep going. I could get my phone out so I don't scratch it up. Pretty sure I could keep going, but I'm pretty sure I don't necessarily want to.
You sure? I think you could.
Well, it gets wider right there.
Does it? See, I encourage you. I'm not going any further though.
You stay close.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do it.
That's it?
I could, but it's a little freaky. It's like you can feel all the weight of all this rock on my fat belly and fat ass. Okay, let me try it. Oh, I could breathe again.
We'll meet again. Yeah. Oh, good God.
Hello, 7552. You're looking very pretty today.
So we just got back from about 8 miles on a BLM road. The BLM roads, so they're backcountry roads. They're, I think, considered primitive roads generally. And our experience has been that a high percent of them have a very high percentage of washboarding. Washboarding is where you end up these little waves in the road very close together. When the ground is moist or the ground is wet, you end up with these little troughs. They're spaced very close together usually. In our camper truck, we have very stiff suspension because we have so much weight on. So we ride rough. On the best of roads, we ride rough. But I wanted to show you what it kind of looks like on the inside of our camper now that we just finished 8 miles. Mind you, we were doing about 10 miles per hour, maybe 12 miles per hour when we were getting really crazy going down the road. But things just vibrate off of our shelves and whatever onto the floor. So take a look. So this is all the stuff that came out from underneath our dinette. So came out here. So we kept a few things. We still have our tofu. Luckily that's safe. So nothing happened to that. But then
This keeps on happening.
our toilet paper will just, as we bounce down the road, toilet paper unrolls and it just rolls nice on top of each other, makes a nice little pile of toilet paper.
So if you have a solution, let us know. So yesterday I took a sun umbrella instead of my hiking poles, and I think that was a mistake. Like, I should have brought both. I just have this little REI fold-up back day pack, but I could have fit my hiking poles and or my umbrella. So that was a fun hike. Zebra slot was pretty awesome. Got pretty tired. I got pretty tired on the way back. Today we're doing Escalante River Trail. I don't know why we stopped in the sun to do this little video, but every time on this trail you think you're gonna get too hot and it's just like more than you want to do, you come back to the river and you cross it again. So that's pretty cool. We've crossed the river like 4 times. Behind us is the natural bridge, Escalante Natural Bridge. So that's pretty cool. That's where we're headed right now. So come on and join us.
So we made it to the Escalante Natural Bridge. Took out Nikki. So it's about a 2-mile hike. We came in. We may have crossed the river. I don't know, stream 5-6 times. Maybe at most it came up to my knees. So I'm not sure how high it came up on Noel.
Mine did not come to my knees where I stepped.
All right, so we took different paths. Anyway, short, sweet hike. 2 miles out to this. We're the only ones here. Us and the lizards.
7 so far.
7 so far, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to hang out for a bit and then we're going to hike back to the truck before it gets too hot.
There's so many little fish. Look at them all. Oh, that's nice. Just stand here for a minute. Feels good, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
What do you think the temperature is?
Outside?
Yeah. 80,
80,
5?
82, yeah. 80, 85.
80 to 85. Yeah, that's what I would guess. Hot enough that this water feels delightful. Alright then. Oh, there's a fish right there where I'm trying to go up. It came up. It came down here. Where did you come down?
Oh, the big step.